When you hire a cleaning professional, you've got to ask yourself one thing. What kind of cleaning products are they going to bring into my home to clean carpet, hard floors, upholstery, furniture, hard surfaces? Here at Lily's, we believe transparency is key. And it's very important to us that we bring in an effective product, but a safe product. This particular product here has a 0 health rating, and it's a rinse-free product. And we use this product on hardwood floors, laminate, on carpet, on travertine, on granite, and on wooden furniture. Many cleaners or specialists or professionals in the cleaning industry just use a polish to clean wooden furniture, but we're actually going to disinfect it and clean it to give you that peace of mind and safety for your hard surfaces. Also, one of the great things about this product is it's CRA approved, no CFCs, and it's wool safe. Wool safe is huge because we clean a lot of wool rugs, we clean a lot of wool wall-to-wall carpet, and this is very important to have a product that disinfects and cleans, as well as safe to use on your carpet.